Okay, welcome everyone to the overview of FastTrack for week 3. Before Zoom on Tuesday, you've got 3 jobs. First, you want to complete the description assignment in college writing class. Then the last 2 are both in FastTrack. You want to complete the research, so through step 3 for the should I experience. And then you're going to read and print the necessary supply. It's an excerpt from a book called Devil in the White City. We're going to use it in Zoom class to talk about description. Then in class, we're going to do a DOL. You're going to edit a sentence. Then we're going to focus in on description using the necessary supply, naming, detailing, comparing. Again, make sure you do the work in college writing so you're ready for this. We're going to talk about the narrative arc and how to use that to help you sketch your acts, which is another assignment due in college writing this week. And then we're going to discuss the research for the should I experience. So before Zoom on Thursday, make sure you submit your draft of the should I experience. Complete through step 4 of the who are they experience. And that's really important because I'm going to reveal the picture on Thursday, so it's important you've done the work up till that part. Then you're going to read dialogue practice. It's a file that's in your week 3 Zoom class Thursday folder. It goes over like some satellite writing for dialogue. We're going to work on it in our Zoom class. You don't have to really do anything but probably print it and read the sample. But make sure you've done the voice thread on dialogue that's in college writing. Do all of that first so that you're ready. And what we do in our Zoom class is more meaningful if you've already done some of the work from college writing. Then reread Mentor Text Set 3. It's in college writing. Your discussion board post, remember, was already due on Wednesday. But we're going to go over the mentor text. And don't forget, you can add all of that wisdom to your replies that are due on Friday. Zoom class on Thursday, we'll do another DOL. We're going to do some dialogue work. We will do step 7 of the should I experience. I'm going to reveal the picture for your who are they experience, and then we'll talk about mentor text set 3. And don't forget, Just Mercy is kind of background noise right now. You should be reading chapters 1 through 4, doing your dialect journal. Don't forget, there's a reflection paper that's due. It's all due Tuesday of week 5. You still have time. Get started. That's all for this week. I'll see you in Zoom on Monday for college writing and Tuesday for FastTrack. Have a great weekend.